Well, good day, and welcome to season 10 of this Reel Fisherman. Well, this is the last episode, episode 11 in season 10, and I really feel it's getting to be about time to bring the series to a close. So there's nothing wrong with my health. I'm not going to quit fishing. Everything's fine. It's just that, like all TV series and everything else, it's just 10 seasons is enough. Episodes are starting to run into each other, and I've really achieved the goal that I set out to catch all the different species we have up here in northwestern Illinois. And there's two species that I haven't been able to get in the series perhaps I'll do a special or something on them, but they're so difficult to catch and record that I really doubt it. And that would be the sturgeon. We have sturgeon up here, and paddlefish. And these are the giant prehistoric type fish, and we do have them up here in northwestern Illinois, but I wasn't able to capture them into the series. So also I would like to take this time to thank all the people that have watched my videos over the years and have been loyal and made comments, and I'm not going to bring names into it because I can't I have a tough time sometimes with names. I've even been accused, I think, of forgetting my own name. So anyhow, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you'll check in on me from time to time as I do a few specials and maybe do a few look backs, or just kind of stay in touch. So that's really about it. I really don't have much more to say, and what I will tell you is to get out there to fish. It's a great release in these days where we're just under so much pressure. There's so much stuff going on. Fishing is just a great way. I mean, you could do it by yourself, alone. You could do it with friends. You could do it with group. There's just so many different ways that it can fit into your schedule. It's just a great hobby. So if not fishing, get out there in nature, and even if it's walking, and really take the pressure off yourself. So anyhow, with that, I'm going to say goodbye, and stay tuned. Well, good morning, and welcome to season 10 of this Reel Fisherman. Well, here we are in the first third of February. I think it's around, well, let's put it this way. The Super Bowl's this Sunday. So there you go. Anyhow, I'm down on Sinsippi Lake up here in northwestern Illinois, and we're going to be going after a little bit of bluegill here. So I'm in a little area here that's got a bunch of dead lily pads from last summer, and I'm going to drill a hole right close to them, as close in amongst them as I can, and that should be where the fish are hanging out. Again, that's where they should be hanging out. We'll see if they actually are. So for now, I'm going to pop this hole, and we'll get a bait down there and see what happens.
turn the camera just a little bit here because that hole is going to be right in there. That wasn't a rock. I'm going to scoot that camera back just a little bit. I might have it a little bit too close to the hole here. So we'll move it kind of back just that little bit right there. See how that works out. Alright, we're set. Now, just get a bait down there and see what happens. Be using wax worms, and I think anybody that fishes knows what a wax worm is. It's in probably the low to mid 20s right now. I didn't check it before I left. Alright, wax worm is on. Mittens is on, and we're ready to fish.
How you doing this morning?
Well, I just got the first fish.
What's that?
I just got the first one. I just got here a little bit ahead of you.
Man, I was out here last Saturday.
Yeah?
I caught 20 of them.
Oh, yeah.
But I haven't been out since because I didn't know how thick the ice was.
Yeah, you know, I was surprised. It's only 4 inches right here. Man, my drill went down through there, and
Well, that's a lot because when I was out here last Saturday, it was about maybe 3.
Really?
Yeah. I was thinking, oh man, it ain't good.
We lost that. I mean, that's right in here. Out there, it's thicker, I think.
Well,
so
I'm gonna dig a few holes here and see what's happening.
There's enough ice here, so
Yeah, we ain't gonna fall through, that's for sure.